Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Yeah, this is the real Rubik's Cube and this is just a 2x2 cube. The only difference is that it's not it's not a real Rubik's Cube, but it's exactly the same. Yeah, even the color scheme, slightly different shade, but it's the same. Anyway, yeah, in here, I'm going to show you how to fix this in less than a minute. And you don't need to be an expert or a cuber to do it. Even for first timers who never touch a Rubik's Cube, you should be able to solve this in less than a minute. So before I show you the step by step, let me show you how I solve it in real time. See, there you go, less than a minute. So now I'm going to show you the step by step. Before we do that, I need to remind you that all you need is to be able to memorize two algorithms or two sequences of steps. The first one to solve the top, and the other algorithm is to solve the top and also the sides. So let me mess this up again, by turning this randomly, and we can start from there. So let me pause the video while messing this up, and we'll go from there. So now the first thing to do is to solve the Rubik's Cube is to start with one layer, fixing one layer. Fixing one layer means you solve this side with the matching edges here. So if you solve the white side here, the this edge should be matching too. So in this case, if this is white, blue on the side, when you put the other white piece here, the blue, it should be white and blue here, and then white and red here, and so on. So you can start with any side, but since everybody seems to be the popular way is starting with the white side, with the white piece. Let's do that too. So here you have the white and blue and white and red. You want the white and red here, or white and blue here. So the first thing to do is look for that piece where you want to put it. In this case, here's the white and blue that I want to put here. So the way I do it is if I want to put this white piece here, I'm gonna put it either here or here, so I can just turn it this way or this way. So let's start with this white and blue to go here. So you can turn it any way you want, but once you have it on this side, or on the bottom, right below where you want to put it, all you need to do is turn it up, turn it that way, so you have the white and blue matching this side, matching this piece. Now let's do the next one. Let's do the white and red to go here. Don't worry about the third color. We'll worry about that later. since that's not really important for now. All we want is make sure that we have the white piece going on this side and the red side matching this red here. So now, the same way we put it just right below where we want to move this piece. And in this case, it's right here so that I can move it just like that. And it's where we want it to be. But at the same time, you don't want to you don't want to lose this because we want to keep this here. So what we need to do is move it to the side and then bring this up here and then bring this back. Now you have the pieces, the third piece in place. Now the last piece, it's gonna be, there's only one more white piece. So it the same way you put it right below it, place it right below it right here. So when you turn it this way, it's right where you want it to be. But at the same time, you want to protect this. So just move it to the side and then bring this up and then bring this back up. Now you have the white side fixed and also the sides here. So now you got the first layer fixed. Now to do the last layer, the best thing to do is flip this upside down, making this your bottom layer, and then you're gonna fix this top layer here, which is gonna be yellow. The key to this is you want one yellow piece, and then you can follow the algorithm which I'm gonna be writing below. And to do that, in this case, the same algorithm as when you have the first one. In this case, you have all the yellows on the side, and the way to do it when you get this pattern here, make the yellow pieces on your side, and just follow this algorithm here. You can either do it from you can either start from the left side or the right side, but in this case, let me start from the right side. Now you do right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, right clockwise, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, and then top 180 degrees or 2 turns, and then right clockwise. Now there's your yellow, there's your one piece yellow, and then the white one is still untouched or is still intact. So now the key here is when you get the first yellow here, you want to make sure that your face is the yellow, where there's a yellow on the same side as the one yellow on top. So in this case, it's right here. And when you get this pattern, you're going to be starting from the right side. If this yellow two pieces are on the other side, then you're going to start with the start from the left side. So it's either the right side or the left side, and it's going to be on the bottom. Just follow the algorithms on the bottom below. So in this case, since the pieces are on the left side, we're going to start from the right side. So here, just follow the algorithm below. You do right, top, right, top, right, top, and then right. Then you fix the second side. So you have the white side, the bottom side, and the top side. And in this case, once you have this fixed, there can only be 3 scenarios. It's either you have a third side fixed in this case, or you can only have the top and the bottom with nothing else, or you can have all of them fixed. Those are the only 3 scenarios. There's nothing else. In this case, there's a third side fix. So you can only then you only need to follow the next algorithm, which I'm going to be writing below. Now to fix this, you want to put the third face, the fixed side, in the back. So you have the top, and then the bottom, and then the back is the third side that's fixed. So you do, here's the algorithm. So you do left, top, right, bottom, and then right, top, right, bottom, and then right, and then front. And there you go. You got it fixed. Now I'm gonna show you the other scenario where you got the top and the bottom and nothing else. It's the same as the scenario where there's a third face. But if you get the scenario where there's only the top and the bottom, you only have to do the last algorithm twice. The first time you do it is to get the third side fix, and then the second time you do it, you fix all of them. So in this case, let me show you. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna set it up where there's only the top and the bottom. So this is the other scenario I'm talking about, where you only have the bottom, the white side fix, and the yellow side, which is the top, and nothing else. As you can see, this is not fixed. This is missing one, missing one, missing one. So in this case, you just need to follow the second algorithm, and you can start from any side. You can use any of this as your front. So doing the algorithm below: left, top, right, bottom, right, top, right, bottom, right, and then you got the third side. So you get the top side, the bottom side, and then here's the third side. Now, as previously shown, you just put the third side in the as your back side, keeping this on top and this on the bottom, and then you just do the same sequence. There you go, it's fixed. So let me know if this is helpful, guys. If you need help on solving a 3x3 or a 4x4 or even a 5x5, let me know. I can help you with that. The 3x3 you should be able to solve in 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not saying you can't solve it quicker if you're a speed cuber. I'm not. Or 4x4 in 10 to 15 minutes, or 5x5 in 20 minutes to half an hour. Okay, guys, have fun, and again, let me know if you need help on those other cubes. Thanks for watching. By the way, guys, to get the one piece on top, I just want to show you, like, in different patterns. Like in this case, you have two yellow pieces here, but you only want one to follow the algorithm to solve them all. I know there's different algorithms to fix this, but I just want you to memorize two algorithms to make it easy for you. So in this case, if you want to get the one piece yellow, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the other piece, you're gonna make this your front. The other piece is on the other yellow piece is on the right side. Then you want to do, if you you want to start from the right side. Now if you want to start from the left side, make sure the other yellow piece is on the left side. So in this case, let's start from the right side. So I'm gonna make this two yellow and then the other yellow on the right side. Then just follow the same algorithm below. You do this, and now you got the one piece yellow. Then you just need to follow the same algorithm. Make sure that the yellow on the front is on the same side as the yellow on top. Now in here you have two yellows here, and the other yellows are here. White, the bottom is fixed. So what you want to do using the same algorithm, you can start. You want to make sure that the two yellow on top are closest to you. So this is your front, this is your back. The two yellow here. So this is your front, and then just do the same algorithm. In this case, you can either do from either side, because the pattern is pretty much the same. Two yellow here, two yellow on the back. So again, let's start from the right side, and there's your one piece yellow. Here you don't have any yellow on the top. What you want to do is make sure that the two yellow is facing you, closest to you, and then the other yellows are, yeah. If you get this pattern, sometimes you get the pattern here where the other yellows are there here. So you only have yellow here and yellow here. In this case, you have yellow here and then two yellows on the side here. What you want to do is you start from here, and again you can do from either left or the right side, and use the same pattern, the same sequence. So you do this, and there's your white yellow, I mean one yellow pattern. And then again you can start from, make sure that you have them, you start from the right side, because the two yellows are on the left side here. So now once you get the one piece yellow on top, all you need to do is just follow the same algorithm, use the same algorithm. Make sure that the yellow on the front is directly or on the same side as the yellow on top, and then you start from the opposite side. So here you start from the right side. So you do right top, right top, right top. There you go. So now here I'm just showing you, if it's on the left side, on the right side, yellow here, yellow here. You want to protect this, so you're doing left top, left top, left top. So in all of this, you're just using one algorithm, which is either left top, or right top, right top.